Hello students, welcome to Dayavati Modi Public School. This is your English class. Let's open our course book, Lesson 11, Tommy Stout. So this is our Lesson 11. Before we read, let's see these pictures. So what do we see here? We see lot of litter around, and we should not throw wrappers and polythenes and waste here and there. So we should always keep this in mind. We should not litter in the playgrounds or in the places wherever we travel or go, and we must always throw the garbage in the dustbins. Now let us find out how Tommy become a good boy. Tommy Stout always shouts, throwing things in and out. A brown chocolate that he ate threw the cover at the gate. Ate a banana, threw the peel. In a hurry put his heel. Then he slipped on the skin, broke his bones, lost his grin. And now never forgets to use a bin. So this was the poem Tommy Stout. And in this poem, Tommy Stout, who always shouts and throws things in and out. He throws things here and there. The brown chocolate that he ate, जो उसने brown chocolate खाई थी, threw the cover at the gate. जो चॉकलेट उसने खाई थी उसका रैपर वो उसने गेट पर फेंक दिया. Ate a banana through the peel. इसका मतलब है he ate a banana through the peel. इसका मतलब जो बनाना उसने खाया था उसका छिलका उसने फेंक दिया. In a hurry put his heel. फिर जल्दी जल्दी में जैसे ही उसने वो पैर रखा अपना उस पर, वो एकदम से स्लिप हो गया. एंड ही ब्रोक हिज बोन्स, और उसकी जो बोन्स थी वो टूट गई. लॉस्ट हिज ग्रिन, उसकी जो ग्रिन थी यानी स्माइल, वो जो स्माइल थी उसकी वो भी चली गई, लॉस्ट हो गई. एंड नाउ ही नेवर फॉरगेट्स टू यूज़ अ बिन, और अब वो कभी भी एक डस्टबिन यूज़ करने में कभी भूलता नहीं था. वो हमेशा डस्टबिन में ही कचरा डालता था. So here our poem is finished, and what do we learn from this? We should always use dustbins. So students, this is all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you.